Today we will start refraction. Let's say this is medium 1, this is medium 2. Medium means through which light propagates. This is air, this is glass. A ray strikes here. Here is a point of incidence. Draw a principal line. Okay. Now, what happens? This is a phase. This is known as interface. The phase which separates two medium, that is called interface. So, refraction means the propagated light deviates its path when it propagates from one medium to another. So, it is simply deviation of path of propagation. This deviation determined through angle of incidence and angle of refraction. And the causes behind this is change of velocity. Means the velocity of light is different in different mediums. Though it is air, it is said to be vacuum, free space. So the velocity of light is here 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. But this is a glass medium. When light propagates through glass medium or through water or through oil, any medium which enhances the propagation of light, we will see variation of velocities from medium to medium. The variation is not so big. There is a slight variation of velocity of light from its original value. Means velocity of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, which is denoted by c. The velocity varies slightly. These variations of velocities, the variation of incident ray and refracted ray tells us, represents deviation of path. That means if this is the principal axis and this principal axis is perpendicular to the surface, interface, which separates both the mediums, which separates both the mediums, which separates the air medium and glass medium. This interface, this is the interface. The principal axis is perpendicular to the interface, so it acts like a normal to the interface. This is the incident ray. Hence, this is the angle of incidence. The incident path is exactly like this. But what happened? I means angle of incident is not equal to R, the angle of refraction. In this case, the refracted ray slightly bends towards the normal. Towards the normal. The phenomena, this is the point of incidence. This is R. The phenomena is called refraction. Then, like reflection, there are two laws. Like reflection, there are two laws. First law, of reflection, and second law of reflection. Like reflection, there are two laws in case of refraction. First law, the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal all three are laying in a plane which is perpendicular to the refracting surface. All these three lines, normal, incident ray, and the refracted ray, all three are laying in one plane, and the plane is perpendicular to the Plane of refraction or refracting plane. So which one is refracting plane or plane of refraction? The interface. The interface is the refracting plane. And is perpendicular to the refracting surface, or you may say refracting surface. This is first law. Then what is second law? Second law is the sine angle of the incident. The sine angle of the incident ray or the sine of the SI sine incident angle ratio between the sine of the incident angle and sine of the refracted angle remain constant, which means sin I by sin R is equal to C. What is C? What is C? In class 10, you have studied V is proportionate to I. V is equal to Ki, implies V by I is equal to K. The ratio between the potential difference and flow of current in a conductor at constant temperature remains constant. This is the potential difference. Vibhav parthakya. This is I, Vidyut Shruta. The ratio between potential difference and current remains constant at constant temperature inside a conductor. Then what is K? This is not K, this is not proportionality constant. This is R. This is resistance. So V by I is equal to R. Similarly, sin I by sin R is equal to C. Then what is C? C is the refractive index. 1 mu 2. Refractive index. Refractive index. First medium with respect to second medium. So this is the refractive index. That means sin I by sin R. This R is called angle of refraction, not reflection. Refraction. and this is the angle of incidence. This is the angle of refraction. The sine ratio between sine of the angle of incident to sine of the angle of refraction is constant. And what is that constant? That is refractive index from first medium with respect to second medium. This is the refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium, of first medium with respect to second medium, and this is the first medium and this is the air medium. In my picture the medium is air and the second medium is glass. So you can say this is, in case of this picture, this ray diagram, here 1 mu 2 can be written as a mu z. This is a mu z. A mu z means refractive index from air to glass. So these are the two laws. The first law is incident ray, refracted ray and the normal lie in one plane, and that plane is perpendicular to the refracting surface. This is the first law, and this is the second law. The ratio between sine of the incident angle to the sine of the refracted angle is constant, and that constant is refractive index 1 mu 2. Mu is the symbol of refractive index. 1 stands for first medium, 2 stands for second medium. So in language you can say refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium. You remember that the light propagates from first medium to second medium. So here I am trying to connect I to 1 and R to 2. Easily you can remember. How you can remember? 1 mu 2 is equal to sin I by sin R. Means the angle I is formed in first medium. The angle R is formed in second medium. So very simple equation, very simple law. 1 mu 2 sin I by sin R. I stands in first medium where R starts in second medium. So this is all about refraction and laws of refraction. Then now, this is the first question. What is refraction? What is refraction? What is refraction? What is refraction? State laws of refraction. State laws of refraction. Now, the second question is, what is refractive index? what is refractive index? What is explain absolute refractive index and relative refractive index. What is refractive index? Refractive index is the property of a medium is the property of a medium which determines the nature of propagation of light. Light. It is represented as mu. It is unitless and dimensionless. So, mu is the refractive index. Here I am giving a star. Here is another star. From these two positions, you can find the light propagates from which medium to which medium. Here you see, this is the upper point of mu. This is the lower point of mu. It is an upper point. So, from the position of 2 points, you can easily recognize, easily determine whether the light is propagating from rarer to denser medium, or from denser to rarer medium, or from air to glass, or from glass to air. Remember one thing, from air to glass, what must be the value of refractive index? from glass to air, it won't be same. तेणु fast medium. So now I am writing here A. मुझे लिखुची A air. एटी लिखुची glass. ताले दीटा प्लेस बड़ेला एयर आउट इनला ग्लास. तो एठू आमे जानि पारिबा जे लाइट ता प्रोपागेट करूची एयर रु ग्लास. सपोज आई रूट मु एटी लिखली G एटी लिखली A या माने हला लाइट प्रोपागेट करूची ग्लास रु एयर. बोथ द केसेस आर डिफरेंट. दीटा जाक अलग अलग कथा. एटा ग्लास रु एयर को जाउची सेटा एयर रु ग्लास को जाउची. तेनो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स रो बहुत इंपोर्टेंस ऑप्टिक्स रे अछि एथि पई. रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इटसेल्फ बहुत किछ कथा कहि दिए. इट टेल्स मेनी थिंग अबाउट द कंडीशन ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन, द नेचर of propagation of light. Okay, एबे देखिबा absolute refractive index. सब बेले मन रखिबो absolute refractive index होची the refractive index absolute refractive index is the refractive index when light propagates from air or vacuum to any medium. Suppose light propagates, suppose light ta air ru glass को propagate कर. Light propagates from air to glass, from air to water, from air to oil. ताहले अब सिंबलिकली के प्रेजेंट करबा A mu G, air to glass, air to water, A mu W, air to oil, A mu O. अच्छा, जो कि हमें एयर लिखीचु आमे से प्लेस टाको एम्प्टी कर दवा. मीन्स सिंपली वी कैन राइट म्यू जी. एटी किछि नाही माने एयर अछि. म्यू डब्ल्यू एटी किछि नाही माने एयर टू वाटर. यू मे राइट, यू कैन राइट म्यू डब्ल्यू, you can write mu G. এটা হচ্ছে mu O, air to oil. अच्छा एमिति लेखिले आकु की रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स को आजिबो ना. एमिति जो माने प्रेजेंट होती जो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स को एमती भाव में प्रेजेंट करा जाए ताकू हमें एब्सोल्यूट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स कहू अर्थात एब्सोल्यूट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स होची रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ सर्टेन मीडियम in which the ray propagates from air to that medium ता माने एब्सोल्यूट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स गोटे मीडियम रे जानिबा पाई हेले हमकु लाइट को प्रोपागेट करिया को पड़िबो इंसिडेंट करिया को पड़िबो एयर रो सेही मीडियम अर्थात गोटे ग्लास स्लैब रो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स जानिया को हेले हमकु इंसिडेंट रे प्रोपागेट करिया को पड़िबो इंसिडेंट करिया को पड़िबो से ग्लास रो गोटे इंटरफेस रे एवं से रे ग्लास भितरे इन करिबो प्रोपागेट करिबो अर्थात इंसिडेंट रे प्रोपागेट्स फ्रॉम एयर टू ग्लास then only we can say the refractive index is absolute refractive index and it is represented as a mu g g है ना glass that is a glass slab and it is written as a mu g means air to glass light propagate करुची or you may say it is simply mu g एटी किछि लेखा जायनी माने एटा एयर जोडी किछि लेखा जाय न थाय तार अर्थ हैला एयर when we will write here air it simply tells जे लाइट दा प्रोपागेट होची कोठु कोठी की ना एयर रु ग्लास को एयर रु वाटर को एयर रु ऑयल अच्छा एबे आमी देखिबा रिलेटिव रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स Relative refractive index is the refractive index when light propagates from one medium to another medium ता माने रिलेटिव रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ता होची जते बेले लाइट ता प्रोपागेट करिवो गोटे मीडियम रु आ गोटे मीडियम वन मीडियम टू अनदर मीडियम अच्छा लेट्स से लाइट प्रोपागेट्स फ्रॉम वाटर टू ग्लास अच्छा ताहले एटा केमती लिखिबा हमें एटा हमें लिखिबा w mu g ता माने लाइट प्रोपागेट्स फ्रॉम वाटर टू ग्लास अच्छा लेट्स से लाइट प्रोपागेट्स फ्रॉम ग्लास टू वाटर then the refractive index is represented as g mu w now we have to establish relation between absolute refractive index and relative refractive index. How can we establish relation between relative refractive index and absolute refractive index? Look at it. From the laws of diffraction, it is clear that 1 mu 2 is equal to sin I by sin R. अच्छा, hello. This equation we get from first law, second law, laws of refraction. From also laws of refraction, I have told you the velocity of light from one medium to another medium varies. There is a little variation. बहुत कम वेरी करिबा, but there is a variation. In glass, the velocity of light cannot be 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. It may be 2.5 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, or 2.8 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, or 2.9 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. But it cannot be 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. There is a variation, little variation of velocity. So, another refractive index can be presented using velocities of both the mediums. How can we write it? 1 mu 2 is equal to v1 by v2. और की माने रखो, अच्छा v1 by v2 ता माने फर्स्ट मीडियम रे वेलोसिटी v1, सेकेंड मीडियम रे वेलोसिटी v2. The ratio between velocities is also from one medium to another medium is also the relative refractive index from one medium to another medium. Velocity रो ratio भी relative refractive index. तामाने relative refractive index एटा relative refractive index. Medium 1 रो medium 2 from medium 1 with respect to 2 sin I means I टा create इसी medium 1 रे R टा create इसी medium 2 रे medium 1 टा जब glass होगा हमें इटी G लिखी परिबा medium 2 टा जब water होगा ताले में इटी W लिखी परिबा ताले इंसिडेंट एंगल टा कोडी फॉर्म हैला ना ग्लास रे फॉर्म हैला रिफ्रैक्टेड एंगल टा कोडी फॉर्म हैला ना ता वाटर रे फॉर्म हैला. अच्छा रिफ्रैक्शन कोडी टेक्स प्लेस स्थान पाइला ना इंटरफेस रे स्थान पाइला. इंटरफेस रो अन्य ना कोन ना रिफ्रैक्टिंग सरफेस टा कोन ना व्हिच सेपरेट्स टू मीडियम जोटा दुईटा मीडियम को अलग करे. अच्छा similarly we can write also G mu W is equal to Vg by Vw. ता माने एटा रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स एटा भी गुटे रिलेटिव रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स एटा ग्लास रो वाटर को लाइट प्रोपागेट करछि. एटा होछि वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट इन ग्लास. एटा वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट इन वाटर. वेलोसिटी ऑफ ग्लास, velocity of light in glass VW है velocity of light in water. अच्छा वन सिमिलरली जदि आमे मीडियम को आइडेंटिफाई करबा नाही आमे एटी जी लिखिबानी एटी डब्ल्यू लिखिबानी आमे मीडियम को 1 और 2 रे सिंबलाइज करबा ताहले 1 म्यू 2 इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट मीडियम टू सेकंड मीडियम को लाइट जते बेले प्रोपागेट करूची तार इंसिडेंट एंगल टा फर्स्ट मीडियम रे ही क्रिएट हो. सो इट इज sin I by sin R. You may write in this way, you may write in this way, and this is more convenient. Why? Always the first medium can never be glass. Similarly, the second medium can never be water. Here, it may not be glass, it can be air. Here, it may not be water, it may be air. So it is the right way, convenient way to express refractive index. Relative refractive index 1 mu 2 is equal to sin I by sin R. Similarly, this equation also can be represented in this way. The light propagates, if the light propagates from first medium to second medium, then the relative refractive index 1 mu 2 is equal to v1 ता माने फर्स्ट मीडियम लाइट वेलोसिटी by v2. For this you can write this is v1 velocity of light in glass, no, in first medium. This is v2 velocity of light in second medium. তাহলে এইটা হলো রিলেটিভ রিফ্রাক্টিভ ইন্ডেক্স এর প্রেজেন্টেশন। আচ্ছা, ভেলোসিটি কথা যেতବେଳେ আসুচি, লাইট গোটে ইলেক্ট্রোম্যাগনেটিক ওয়েভ, তেণু এইটি ভিটা কেতে জানিছ? v is equal to s by t নুহে, lambda by capital T. This is a wave. Later on we will study how the scientists have finally conclude that light is an electromagnetic wave. In wave optics we will study, but here just you write v is equal to lambda by t, where lambda is the wavelength, t is the time period. So now what happened? V is equal to lambda into n. N means frequency, 1 by t. 1 by t is the frequency. This is frequency. You see what happened when light propagates, the velocity changes, the wavelength changes, but the frequency of the light remains constant. The frequency of the light remains constant. You must remember, the velocity changes, the wavelength changes, but the frequency of light remain constant. So light, that is visible light, it has certain range, and the visible light has certain frequency. The average frequency from violet to red is said to be the frequency of a visible ray. That frequency remains constant. So only visible ray, we our total experiment, ray diagrams and theories confined to visible ray only. So I can write here the frequency of visible ray as m. So this equation can be extended to 1 mu 2 is equal to lambda 1 into n by, in case of v1 I have written lambda 1 into n remains constant, frequency will not change, divided by lambda 2 into n. Finally n cancels, then the equation came out 1 mu 2 is equal to lambda 1 by lambda 2. here is one equation, here is the second equation, here is the third equation. Here the incident ray form in first medium, refracted ray form in second medium. Here the velocity of the light in first medium. Here is v2 is the velocity of light in the second medium. Very easy to remember. Here the wavelength of the light in the first medium is lambda 1. So it is connected like this. The wavelength of velocity of light in the second medium is lambda 2. So it can be connected like this. So very easy to remember. এই তিনটা রুল কো আমি মনে রাখিলে এই গুডি এটা হলা রিলেটিভ রিফ্রাক্টিভ ইনডেক্স র ফর্মুলা याको आमे भलकी मने रखिले आमे कंफर्टेबली ए रिलेटिव रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स को एब्सोल्यूट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स रे भांगी दे पारिबा अर्थात वन म्यू टू अर्थात वन म्यू टू is equal to V1 by V2. Clear? V1 by V2 is equal to V1 by C velocity of light whole divided by V2 by C. You see what is happening? So now this is equal to 1 by C by V1 whole divided by 1 by C by V2. So this can be written as now you see I can change it 1 by C by V1 into C by V2 by 1. This is equal to 1 by mu 1 into mu 2 by 1 is equal to mu 2 by mu 1. ताले मैं फाइनली कौन पाइलु 1 mu 2 is equal to mu 2 by mu 1. ताले इतने रिलेटिव रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स किए ना रिलेटिव रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स हला 1 mu 2 एब्सोल्यूट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स किए ना mu 2 एवं mu 1. ताले this is the relative refractive index and these two are absolute refractive index. तो हम मन भितर एक क्वेश्चन आस्थाई पारे जे सर आपण एटा को absolute refractive index केमिति कहिले तमे बे बने पका absolute refractive index का कोन a mu 1 एआर नो मीडियम को जाउथिबो बा तमे लिखि पारिबो a mu g अर्थात एआर को ग्लास को जीवो जदि फास्ट मीडियम का ग्लास हुए ताले हम लिखि पारिबा a mu 1 इज इक्वल टू a mu g. अच्छा एई a mu 1 टा कोन कहबा एब्सोल्यूट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स कहबा अर्थात this can be written as mu1 खाली mu1 माने ए जगह ए अछि तेणु आमे ए न लिखले भी ए जगह ए अछि बोली बुझा जाए तेणु एटा हला mu1 बा mu g बुझेला। अच्छा जदि जदि ए mu1 बा mu1 टा एब्सोल्यूट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स हुए ताले मते कोइबे एटा केते होमो ना ए मींस वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट इन एयर केते सेटा c वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट इन वैक्यूम c by velocity in the first medium or medium 1 v1 बुझेला। एबे एको भलकी देखो 1 mu2 is equal to v1 by v2 ताले a mu1 टा केते हबो ना c by v1। अच्छा जल्दी एटी लिखबी a mu g ताले एटा कोन लिखबी ना c by vg अर्थात वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट इन ग्लास सेटा केबे भी c हबनी तेणु ताकू c लिखलिनी ताकू तार सिंबल टाकू आमे c नहीं पारि पानी बोली आमे ताकू नेलु vg अर्थात वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट इन ग्लास किंतु वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट इन एयर केते दैट इज डायरेक्टली वी कैन राइट c तेणु a mu g हला c by vg a mu1 हला c by v1 ए गुडी को कोन ए गुडी को हला एब्सोल्यूट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स अर्थात एटा को हमें डायरेक्टली लिखि पारिबा mu1 एवं एटा को लिखि पारिबा mu g ताले ए गुडी को सब कोन त ए गुडी को हले रिलेटिव नहीं एब्सोल्यूट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स। अच्छा ए जगह है वर्तमान जदि एटा g mu w लिखली आर अर्थ कोन ना रिफ्रैक्टिविटी इंडेक्स when light propagates from glass to water ताले एटा की रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ना एटा रिलेटिव रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स। अच्छा ताले एटी केते लिखिबी ना सर एटी mu w अर्थात एब्सोल्यूट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ वाटर और एटा एब्सोल्यूट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ glass। So this is the relation between relative refractive index and absolute refractive index. All the best.